Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teach Marky. For this video, I'm going to show you the answers to your activity sheet number 5, which is about hierarchy of colors of light. Let us now begin. Question number 1. Look at the image below. What do you call this device used in physics laboratory to show the dispersion of light? The correct answer is triangular prism. Question number 2. It refers to a form of electromagnetic radiation that enables the human's eye to see or make things visible. The correct answer is light. Question number 3. Which of the following is not true? The correct answer is different colors of light travel at the same speed in different media. Question number 4. From the given illustration below, identify the characteristics or parts of waves. Point B in the illustration corresponds to, the correct answer is crest. Question number 5. Which color has the most refractive index? The correct answer is violet. Question number 6. Study the image below. Which of the following statements best describes the frequency of light? The correct answer is A. Has low frequency, B. Has medium frequency, and C. Has high frequency. Question number 7. Which color has the shortest wavelength? The correct answer is violet. Question number 8. From the illustration below, which wave has the most frequency? The correct answer is letter A. Question number 9. Study the image below. Then answer the question that follows. Which of the following best describes the propagation or travel of light as it passes through the device? The correct answer is when the white light passes through the device, it refracts, then separates into various colors of light. Question number 10. What do the different colors of light correspond to? The correct answer is different velocities. Question number 11. From the given illustration below, identify the characteristics or parts of waves. Point B to H correspond to, the answer is wavelength. Question number 12. Study the table below, then answer the question that follows. Which of the following is the correct characteristic of color red? The correct answer is low frequency, high wavelength, and carries a low amount of energy. Question number 13. Which of the following is not true? The correct answer is wavelength increases from red to violet. Question number 14. From the illustration below, which wave has the longest wavelength? The correct answer is D. Question number 15. It refers to the number of waves that pass each second and it is measured using hertz. The correct answer is frequency. Question number 16. What does a color with low frequency indicate? The correct answer is long wavelength. Question number 17. The table below shows the relationship of the characteristics of the colors of light. Which of the following best describes the relationship of the colors of light in terms of wavelength and energy? The correct answer is the wavelength of the colors of light is inversely proportional to the energy of the colors of light. Question number 18. Which of the following is true? The correct answer is the colors of light in the visible spectrum are arranged according to their wavelengths, frequency, and energy. Question number 19. The table below shows the relationship of the characteristics of the colors of light. Which of the following best describes the relationship of the colors of light in terms of frequency and energy? The correct answer is the frequency from violet to red is decreasing while the energy from violet to red is increasing. Question number 20. It is a form of energy that includes radio waves, microwaves, X-rays, and gamma rays, as well as visible light. The correct answer is electromagnetic radiation. Finally, this ends this video presentation. If your score is 11 or above, congratulations! If your score is 10 or below, it means that you have to study again our lesson about the hierarchy of colors of light and look for those correct answers of your missed questions. Thank you for listening.